Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. I am super thrilled to have you with us today because we're looking at something that is literally shifting the landscape for telecom operators and network planners. We are breaking down how integrating Google Maps directly into Zonedge is fundamentally transforming how fiber optic networks are managed. So if you're looking to streamline your operations and give your business a massive edge, you are definitely in the right place.
Okay, let's dive into this. How much time is really wasted jumping between tabs? Seriously, we all know the exact feeling. You've got 10 open browser tabs, you totally lose your place, and you're constantly switching back and forth between your mapping tools and your network software just to get basic work done. It's frustrating. You end up spending half your day just clicking around instead of actually working on the network.
Well, that old way of disconnected tools and endlessly copying and pasting addresses, that is gone. The new way is Zonedge and Google Maps working together in one seamless environment. Think of it like this. It's like having all your cooking ingredients perfectly prepped on the counter right in front of you. Before, you were scrambling all over the kitchen, but now everything is integrated right into a single workspace. It completely removes all the friction, so you focus purely on the network itself.
Moving on to our first major feature, Street View and real-time visibility.
You can really think of this feature as your very own virtual time and space machine. It literally puts your eyes directly on the deployment site without you ever leaving your desk. So you plan a project, it looks perfect on paper, but your team gets there and boom, surprise, there's a hidden fence blocking a utility pole that just wasn't on the plans. With this integration, you instantly reveal those unmapped obstacles. You see the unexpected terrain right away, saving your crew from a totally wasted trip and a delayed project.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how it plays out in the real world. Just imagine a field technician calls you up, totally lost, right? They say, hey, see the red building? I'm just past it. You just open Street View right inside Zonedge, look at the exact same street they're standing on, and guide them in real time. You're basically acting as a human GPS. You save those crucial minutes, and as we all know in this industry, time saved is absolutely money earned.
Next up, we have Section 2, Smart Search and Quick Prospecting.
This integration permanently ends that frustrating game of guessing vague addresses. I mean, how many times do you get a service request that's just incredibly vague? Something like, oh, it's next to the old closed garage. Well, with Smart Search, you instantly locate those informal landmarks. You simply type that vague description or civic address directly into Zonedge, and it takes you there instantly. This is an absolute lifesaver for deployment projects where you need rapid routing for 50+ locations.
And if you're pitching to potential clients, this is a huge advantage. It's an incredibly fast 3-step workflow that empowers your team. Step 1, you search that informal client address. Step 2, you see their exact location right on your fiber network. And Step 3, you give the client an immediate yes. Someone calls to ask if you serve their area, and bam, you verify it instantly and impress those prospects with immediate answers right over the phone. No more, let me check and call you back.
All right, let's talk about Section 3, Satellite View and Finding Hidden Paths.
Here, we're shifting to an Ultra HD macro perspective. It gives operators the ultimate lay of the land, which is absolutely indispensable, especially for rural or unfamiliar deployments. When you look down from above, specific hidden elements suddenly pop out at you. You easily spot trails cutting right through properties, dense wooded areas that block your cable paths, or even parking lots that are perfect for temporary infrastructure. It allows planners to proactively strategize long before a truck ever rolls out of the lot.
We actually had a client recently who shared a really powerful anecdote about this. Literally one satellite check saved them a full day of work. By using the satellite view, they spotted a hidden back access road to the building they were working on. Because they saw that from above, they entirely avoided closing down a lane on the main street. It's incredible how one simple observation completely transforms a game plan and saves a full day of labor.
Okay, moving into the business benefits with Section 4, Zero Training and Ultimate Reliability.
Usually, bringing in typical new software means costly training, high resistance from the team, and a steep learning curve. But incorporating Google Maps completely eliminates that expensive learning curve. Why? Because you're leveraging intuitive habits. Whether you have a brand new intern or a tech-hesitant veteran, they already know how to zoom, they already know how to search. They are comfortable and completely productive on day one with zero friction.
And then there's the performance side of things. You get near 100% uptime. This whole system runs on Google's multi-billion-dollar infrastructure. In the telecom field, reliability is just non-negotiable. When clients call you with an outage, you need answers right then and there.
This integration gives operators that non-negotiable reliability exactly when they need it most. It just works.
Finally, let's look at Section 5, the perfect match, where familiarity meets specialization. So the crucial point is this. These aren't just two separate tools sitting side by side in different windows. They actively communicate and enhance each other, kind of like a jamming musical duo creating something way better than the sum of its parts. You click a fiber node in Zonedge, and you instantly see it in Google Street View. Zonedge brings that essential fiber optic precision, and Google brings world-class, universally familiar mapping.
Ultimately, this common-sense integration is about making your operations faster, pushing the whole industry forward, and giving you a massive competitive advantage. When your tools actually work seamlessly together, you get things done and your clients stay happy. So, start designing, operating, and innovating your fiber optic network today.